So I've got my quad here, my big 450 quad, and camera shutter effects aside, this is the new carbon fiber propellers on it. Now, unfortunately, the front left motor, I think, is making a bit of noise. I'll see if I can't bring the camera close so you can tell. I have it on very low throttle now, though. There's that one, normal. Normal. Almost like a frictiony, grindy type sound. Try and bring throttle up a bit. I hear it now. And if I cut throttle, I'll manually spin and you can hear the difference. Try to balance all this in my hand at once. Here's a normal propeller, or a normal motor rather. Silent. The same thing for this one. Bring the camera speaker close. That's the problem one. That's the silent one. Problem.